Writer AI is a full-stack generative AI platform, and apparently it's the fastest way to build AI apps and workflows. Now, with this platform, you can build generative AI into any business process with Writer's secure enterprise platform. Okay, so we're going to dive straight into this here. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So today, we're going to build a research assistant app. Let's see how this goes. So let's go for web searches. Let's select travel assistant. Let's say we want to research best tourist destinations in Dubai. Okay, so it's planning the research, initiating a research assistant. Okay, cool. So we've got this here, best tourist destinations in Dubai. So we've got the Burj Khalifa, which makes sense. I can open up this and see its research process and see the different sources it's actually looked into, which is quite useful. It's always important to be able to know what sources your large language model is pulling its information from. That can also help you spot any hallucinations before they happen. Okay, so we've also got the Dubai Mall adjacent to the Burj Khalifa. We've got the Dubai Fountain, the Palm Jumeirah as well. We've also got the Dubai Miracle Garden, Museum of the Future. That sounds pretty cool. Okay, cool. So you can see this is quite an extensive bit of research. Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve, Dubai Creek. Okay, cool. So there's a lot going on here, and we're still in the build section. Let's go to the app guide and see what we get here. Cool. So this is another way you can actually prompt, I guess, the creation of the app. Go back to the configuration and see if this is still going at it. Yep, still going at it. We've got the Jumeirah Mosque. Also got the Dubai Marina. I wonder when this is going to stop. Dubai Opera. Okay, cool. Let's go into the guide, let's go into the app guide. You can write a short description for this. Travel research assistant, here to help you with any questions you may have about locations all over the world. Cool. So this app provides in-depth research on locations you may wish to travel to. Great stuff. Tags here we'll put on, let's say marketing, let's say support, let's say advertising. Cool. The task is going to be summarizing, analyzing, generating as well. Let's say we can have some blogs here. Content length, let's say long form, because it will be in-depth research. And I'll just leave all of this out here. Okay, cool. Quick start video URL. Okay, so if you got a YouTube video, let's say an unlisted YouTube video, you can put it up on here. If you got any documentation as well associated with it. Cool. Okay, and we can go from here and we can change the icon associated with it as well. I think we should go with this one. It looks a bit more like a blog, and then I can click deploy. So you can either test this app in the playground, you can embed the app on a website, or you can deploy it to Writer as well. However, it's saying this is not available. Okay, interesting stuff. Let's put it onto playground and let's go on to it. I want to research the best tourist attractions in, say, France. Click research. Okay, cool. And I think here's where I can change the name of it. So travel research assistant. I'll leave that there. Okay, cool. And here we have the best tourist attractions in France. And I can also see the research process. Cool, great stuff. So yeah, this was just an example. I'll definitely recommend giving it a go to anyone who's actually interested in creating apps, let's say small scale apps or apps to just help you with any form of research or any form of generation for content. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really means a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.